This is 2015 Nissan Rogue Select. The Select and Nissan Rogue are a little bit different when it comes to wiring up the alarm and remote starter, but we're not showing that. We're just going to show you how to take the radio out and put the new radio in. We're putting an Alpine ILX-507. We have it out. The first thing you're going to do is remove this top panel where the center speaker normally be, and under part of it there are 4 screws holding on to the speakers. So once you this doesn't have it, but once you have those 4 screws out on the speaker, the bottom panel comes out. This heater control comes out, and then after that you remove this entire bezel out. Disconnect the hazard switch. It comes straight forward. It's kind of straight. So as you can see, these locking clips are going this way, so you gotta pull forward toward to you. Disconnect the hazard, disconnect the radio. We are doing a radio, and also enabling this one had a factory backup cam. We are enabling it, so I'm going to show you how we did it. I couldn't find any integration, so I made my own. I found this Metra harness that actually, if you want to add a backup cam on existing radio, if you didn't have it, they make the harness for it, but I didn't find the other side. Like if you are replacing aftermarket with an aftermarket radio, I didn't see the interface for that, so I decided to make my own. The first one right here, if you look at this factory harness, this first and second one here, the far right, looking at the locking tab on the top, far right, which is the black wire, that is a video plus. The one next to it, which happens to be white color, that is a video minus. Then we have the red wire next to the white wire, that is actually the backup cam power. So it need to have a 6 volt. So I made a regulator. Where is my regulator? I'll show you later. So I made a 6 volt regulator here. So you are powering up this red wire with regulator 6 volt out. Then the ground is the black wire next to the red wire. So let's say this is a 1. It may not be 1, but I'm counting this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is a video plus, 2 is video minus, 3, which is a red wire, there's the backup cam power, which is 6 volt. Then 4, which is black wire, that's the ground for the backup cam. So once you connect those, and this RCA, we connect it to the 1 and 2. That goes to the backup cam input of new radio. Alright, this is the diagram from DirectX. On driver side kick panel, on the bottom side, you can find the green wire. That is a reverse wire. We're going to tap on reverse wire from here over to the radio. This is Alpine radio. It's ILX-507. Wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. We're going to tape this up. It looks a little messy, but we're going to tape this up. This is the interface harness from Metra. I'll show you online part number. This gives you speaker wires. Speaker wires are simple. You just match the colors. As you can see, same color wire gets connected to the radio side. And don't forget to trigger your antenna turn on lead. And if you have an amplifier, you got to also turn on the amplifier by using amp turn on, which is a blue white. This happens to have an amplifier, so you are using amp turn on to trigger the amplifier. Very simple wiring. Just match the colors. That's all you need to do. This is Metra's website. You can use any of these double-in dash kits. We are using this one. That is a multi-kit. Actually, we are using this one. You're also going to need an antenna adapter, which is this one. And then for some reason it wouldn't let me click this, so This is what we are referring to. I didn't see anything besides this one. So we are making our own regulator circuit along with tapping onto the factory wire for the backup cam. So we just have all the harnesses plugged into the factory side. Mount the dash kit. The driver's side on the running board. That's the wire. That's the reverse wire. We ran it up. That. Reverse. That works. So all the Alpine radios, you gotta go into setup. Then you go down here. It says cam. You have to enable reverse cam. Initial setup is off. You have to turn this one on, so when you put it in reverse, the backup cam shows. That works. Unlock your phone. Everything seems to be working. That works. Sunday's weather.
You'll need to turn on location services for that. Want to turn it on just this once? Expect some clear skies on Sunday. Daytime temperatures will hover around 74 degrees, with overnight lows around 40.
So we're putting everything back together. Obviously, you got to put the hazard switch plug on. And we just snap that back in. Okay. That feels good. Just gotta put the bottom panel on, screws back on, you're finished. Since this car did not have center speaker, we decided to put antenna right there for wireless CarPlay. That fits perfect up there.
Yes. Conectando al dispositivo.
Beautiful. Reverse.
It works.
Sunday in Union, it'll be sunny with a high of 76 and a low of 50.
Yes. Conectando al dispositivo.
Beautiful. Reverse.
It works.